So basically the game is to humanize divinity. So I have given you some hints so that when we now take up the subject of meditation, you know that we cannot talk about meditation wearing the cap of money, power, position, pelf. Pelf and power is not the territory of meditation, let me tell you. It doesn't mean pelf and power are not important. I am trying to tell you there is something more than pelf, there is something more than power. It is to that territory I am taking you, from where everything will reign. From there, everything will come. There is no problem of pelf and power. So when you do meditation, it doesn't mean I am trying to make you sannyasis. No way, no way. He is a homeopath, he will become a much better homeopath. What will happen to him? Once he becomes deeply meditated, the moment somebody opens his door, his outside door, not his cabin door, he will know who has come, what is the problem. The moment that fellow comes, he has already written the prescription and he will to go. He will be alright. That is the power of meditation. That is the connectivity. That is what happens when this becomes this. Now I will tell you about meditation, and we will see and understand that meditation, what happens in meditation is nothing but a creative thing which happens, and once you become meditative, automatically there is an implantation of this software inside you, which then starts operating. But just like when you buy a software, it takes time to understand the various features of the software. Now I have got this Nokia 6600. What is the good of it? It is of no use for me because I am using it only like a mobile. I give it to my son, he operates all the features. So सॉफ्टवेयर आने से भी फायदा नहीं है, उसको ऑपरेट करना सीखना चाहिए, उसको अपने लिए यूजफुल करना चाहिए. So all those things have to unfold in you, then only you will get the full creative benefit of that software. Then, yes, you will be stress free. In other words, I have told you and confirmed with you that yes, it is possible to remain stress free irrespective of your background, irrespective of your genetic chart, irrespective of your present health. This is possible. I used to smoke until 5 years back, let me tell you honestly. 5 साल पहले तक मैं सिगरेट पीता था, अभी छोड़ दिया, थोड़ा सियाना हो गया. तो अगर उस टाइम में अगर मुझसे किसी ने कहा होता कि कुमार साहब आपको ध्यान नहीं सिखाएंगे, आप सिगरेट विगरेट छोड़ दो, तो आई वुड हैव टोल्ड हिम गेट लॉस्ट, भागो इधर से. क्योंकि उस टाइम सिगरेट मेरे लिए सब कुछ था, क्योंकि मेरा उम्र ऐसा था, मेरी बुद्धि वैसी थी. मगर हमारे ऊपर वाले ने इनायत की. God was kind. He didn't tell me, Mr. Kumar, you leave your cigarette, because he had the capacity to remove my cigarette. So he didn't say anything. पियो बेटा पियो, जब तक तुमको पीना है. हमने खुद अपनी इच्छा से छोड़ा, इसलिए छूट गया. तो कहने का मकसद ये है कि when the software goes inside you, how it operates, उसका एक मैंने आपको हिंट दिया अभी कि मेरी सिगरेट के लिए किसी ने मुझे लेक्चर नहीं दिया, मुझे खुद मालूम नहीं था मैं नेक्स्ट सिगरेट नहीं पीने वाला हूं. Can you believe this? 2nd of June 2000, I was traveling from Bombay. I had smoked my last cigarette, and I didn't know when I come to Bombay I won't be smoking. So that is the beauty of this creative software. So when you get linked with the highest power, with the purest power, when you get linked actually with the Shakti Srot, then it has all the abilities. But when you get linked with inferior knowledges and inferior vidyas, which are manipulative in nature, then you will have problems. थोड़े दिन के लिए काम करेगा. डुप्लीकेट माल लेके आओगे कंप्यूटर, क्या होगा? थोड़े दिन के बाद टिंग डाउन, ओवर स्टोरी. तो ओरिजिनल खरीदो हर चीज को, मेरा यही आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है. बाय एवरीथिंग ओरिजिनल. नकली नहीं। तो ओरिजिनल क्या होता है? यू एंड योर लॉर्ड, दैट इज द रिश्ता। और क्या रिश्ता है? और कोई रिश्ता नहीं है दुनिया में किसी का भी, इस बाकी सब ब्रह्म है। इफ यू थिंक यू हैव गॉट रिलेशनशिप विद द होल वर्ल्ड, फॉरगेट इट। यू हैव नो रिलेशनशिप एक्सेप्ट वन, एंड दैट इज विद योर मेकर, जिसने आपको रचा है, सृष्टिकर्ता, द क्रिएटर, द लॉर्ड, द भगवान, whatever you want to call that. So that is the only true relationship. And if you know to forge a link with that creative source, then this software will be born. Otherwise, you will flounder. You see, when I started my invocation, I said you can pray to your own God, Goddess, Bhagwan, Guru. Why did I say this? I said that because it is my desire that this creative software should come to you. Now, when we say Kul Devta, Kul Devi or Ishta Devta, what are we talking about? हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं? आपको अगर समझना है साइंटिफिक भाषा में, तो ये सब जो है, these are nothing but they are frequencies. So when you say Kula Devata, which means a particular frequency. Now what happens when a particular family has been worshipping a particular frequency? It is there in the genes.